Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a continuation reels from the first reels I made from a bunch of still shots of SkyTrain where the Millennium Mark V stopped almost just about halfway mid-track, before waiting for the Southern Railway's eastbound shop train to roll through. Anyway, the train eventually started rolling again, and it was caught in video, but I lost a lot of file from from 3 days in a row. I lost 3 files I accidentally deleted from the afternoon stuff, but I missed the Thursday trip where it was about 4 to 5 cars still from that particular westbound trip from the Valley Run. But I made sure I sure filmed the yard out, yesterday. Anyway, a mixed compilation here, so continuing, and then from Trap Yards down to Westminster after I was on the SkyTrain, so I didn't get that too. So please enjoy, and better than not, at least I got some pictures to back up my original video that I shot too.